everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a small Dollar Tree haul. You guys, I just ran in there and to grab some stuff, and yeah, anyways, so I found me this clipboard. You guys, oh my goodness, these are like hard plastic, so I like these. So I did get these two of them. They only had these two that I saw. I did get me some ice trays. We will try these out. So yeah, anyway, so $1.25 still. Some of these items are still $1.25. I found me more of these trays, so I did get me another set. And then I did see Liana from It's a Deal find these, so I figured let me try them on out, and so hopefully, yeah, I was surprised I actually found some. Anyways, I got me these cute little gums. Oh my goodness, I have an idea for something else that I want the container for, but hey, might as well just, $1.25, not bad. I also found me these cute little guardian angels, and guardian angel home happiness will always live here. So I thought these were cute. I figured I'd get these for some happy mail. And then you guys, oh my goodness, so I was just done with a fruity swap, fruity fruit swap. And then today, you guys, I find these. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. I don't know if somebody has shown these yet, but oh my goodness, these were adorable. So I did have to get me a few extra. I figured for this one for summer swap, I might be able to use that one. And then a repurchase, of course. I always have to get these. And that was it, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is a very small haul. I want to appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.